Introducing BoneHeads by AViwear, Bluetooth bone conduction sunglasses, now being introduced on Kickstarter. Okay, now let's see what's in the box. Get a great case, clip-on belt for hiking and jogging and different things. We got a charger, charging wire, user guide, card from the company, AViwear, sleeve, cleaning sleeve. This helps clean and protect the glasses. This is polarized UV 400, safety certified ANSI 87.1 lenses. It's one of the best lenses anywhere in the world. Great wraparound design by BoneHeads. This is the latest material, TR90 Swiss-made plastic. Very flexible material. Very strong, bendable. And over here is your on-off, simple on-off switch to connect to Bluetooth. Down below, if you see on both sides, this is our BoneConduction speakers. This is our bass reflex port, so it gave it more surround sound feeling and more bass along the side here. We also made this waterproof IP66. And over on this side, you see we have USB port, sealed USB port. This is used for charging. Simple, add this wire to the charging port. Only goes in one way, into your PC, into portable charging unit, to wall plug, or your car charger. Charges about 2.5 hours for a full charge. Now, here's rubber seal here. This will keep out rain, snow, hail, so it's keep the waterproofing together. We're adding sealed units here. And a battery over here is the lithium poly battery, which is rechargeable. So let's show our different models. Or actually, these are our different lenses. These are the blue polarized. Same switching mechanism, same lightweight design. And our new transitionary, go everywhere, do anything, indoor, outdoor transition lenses. These are clear indoors, and they get dark outside. These are also polarized photochromic. They adjust to light, and they're also safety ANSI 87.1 rated lenses. Now let's go turn them on. Okay, you look on your smartphone. We'll use for demonstration AViwear would be the normal one. What this prototype would be under T8. Paired. Okay, now we go to our phone. And let's go scroll through. We can go through a different music, internet music, or let's go through our own music. Okay, albums. Go for Billy Idol. Great surround sound. Feel the ports, you can feel it vibrate. This vibrates against the skull. And to adjust the volume, this normal adjustment on your side. Adjust it here, or increase the volume as needed. Now these are designed to hear emergency vehicles, and people around you very faintly could hear your music in the background. We recommend adjust it to a lower volume and setting. This also picks up any of your internet, weather, sports, news, all in a pair of glasses. This will stream your music and it answers the phone. So all you have to do is say, "Hey Siri," and how can I help? What's the weather today? Hey Siri, what's the weather for Las Vegas today?
It's currently clear and 91 degrees in Las Vegas. Temperatures are heading down from 91 degrees this evening to 82 tonight.
Okay, all that on your phone. Also calls Google, and Hey Google, and Alexa too, whatever you have programmed. So again, these are BoneHeads. These will replace normal, average, everyday sunglasses. Everybody take these anywhere. And easy to turn off. Press the button.
Disconnected.
And away you go.